Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive in Canberra, Sydney. I've got a Toyota Hilux 2019 model. This car had a bit of a mixture with filling up petrol into the diesel tank. So because this car is still brand new, so I've decided to take the fuel tank out and we're going to remove everything out from here. I'm going to drain the tank by sucking all the fuel out. And then we're going to put fresh diesel fuel into here, and then we're going to use a special detergent. Before we put the fuel in here, we're going to run the car from the front. We're just going to put a little bit of diesel in there, probably maybe 5 liters of diesel in here, and we're going to put the detergent into there. It's called a diesel purge plus liquid moly stuff, and we're going to run the actual car with that stuff inside here, so we can clean the injector and the actual high pressure pump on this diesel on this Hilux diesel engine. We need to do that first before we do anything else, and then we'll go from there. I just want to show you that. Take it out, and we're going to clean it with the rag inside, make sure there's nothing there, and then we're going to put premium diesel in here before we do anything else. And then run the detergent system in there, run it until it's empty, and then we'll put the fresh diesel, and then run it again with the other conditioner. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.